leave a like and also subscribe, everybody. This is going to be the D7 chord. So we were talking, now you can, by the way, go every single one of my videos. We talk about all the ways to play these common chords without you having to spend all this money on a lesson, okay? Or to spend money on a course or anything like that. I'm going to teach you exactly how to do it. D7, if you can see from my hands. Okay? That's how you play it. You put your index finger on the second down, okay? Then your middle finger, and then your third. Boom. It's almost like playing the freaking, the minor. A little bit. So you can kind of hear like the variations of the D. Oop, played that wrong. Sorry about that. Here we go. Second time's a charm. There we go. Forgot about the freaking 1, 2, 3. Okay, so again, 1, 2, and 3. Pretty simple. Your first finger on that second last down, then one finger above it, all on the first and second fret. Very, very simple chord. Very, very simple. So many ways to play the D. This is just another one. It's a great way to play it. It's another variation. One of the more simple ones that you can do. It's also a good variation if you're a beginner and you really can't play that regular D. You're having a hard time with this. You can always just go to this guy right here. That's a lot, in my opinion, it's a lot easier if you're just a beginner getting started. Now, if you're an intermediate, that's a whole nother story. You keep on going with these videos. I'm going to pump them out, all the different chords that you can learn. Alrighty, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.